What's going on, guys? It's Jairaj and it's time for tech news. Let's begin. Apple's co founders Tim Wozniak sues YouTube because of fake Bitcoin advertisement under his name. I will simply tell you guys stay safe in online world because there are lots of fake thing on internet. New patent suggests that Apple's future Face ID will be able to see veins in face. Holy crap, that's awesome. I would like to see how Apple implements it and how much secure and slow it would be. iPhone 12 launch date is delayed till November. We just need to wait for the iPhone to launch it to just see its pricing so that we can buy older iPhones even if they are slow and laggy as toaster. Yay, Apple power. 130 high profile verified Twitter account targeted in hacking attack, out of which hackers gain control over subset of that number. Accounts of Elon Musk, Barack Obama and many more tweeting offers to double the amount of Bitcoin sent to their crypto wallets. Reports claim due to Twitter hack 36 people's direct messages were seen, out of which some of them were Netherlands official. US Senate panel approved TikTok ban on government devices. I am waiting when it's completely banned in US. This means no more cringy videos. Rogue Phone 3 launched in India for rupees 49,999 Indian rupees or around 670 US dollar for base variant. If you can get most powerful phone for this price, then who will buy OnePlus anymore? Oh yes, that's why they launched OnePlus Nord. Borosil Suraksha UV box launched in India for price of 11,000 Indian rupees or around 150 US dollar. You can purchase it if you want to disinfect your phones and keys after you come home. NPCI launched UPI Autopay so that you can automatically pay your monthly bills so that you don't forget it and don't need to pay hefty late penalties. News coming from Nokia that they might launch Nokia TV box based on Android 9 partnering with Flipkart and it might launch in August. US says that Chinese criminal targeted COVID-19 vaccination research details. I am waiting for vaccination of COVID-19 so that we can beat this virus. DRDO made a drone named Bharat that will be used in surveillance on China-India border and it's completely made in India. And it's not toy drone, it's made with defense grade technology. As we all know that we are heading towards the PS5 pre-order opening, but if you are thinking to buy more than one console, then you will be out of luck because a user on Reddit dug through some PlayStation Direct source code reveals an error message that user will presumably presented with if they are trying to add more than one PS5 console to their cart. The restriction exists if you are trying to add both versions of PS5. This means this time you might find lots of PS5 on black market. 7 VPN provider accused of leaking 1.2 TB of user logs onto internet. This data includes addresses, passwords, payment information and web activity. The entire data was online for over 2 weeks. Remember guys, while selecting your VPN, as old guys says, if you don't keep your things safe, it will be used against you. TSMC plans to halt chip supplies to Huawei in 2 months thanks to licensing restriction from US. This sucks for Huawei. KFC is working with Russian tech firm to develop 3D printed chicken nuggets while they are not vegetarian as they do contain actual chicken cells. That means if someone hacks the printing recipe, they can make KFC chicken nuggets at home. What that awesome. Sony takes minority stake in Epic for $250 million, which is about 2%. I think this might be good idea for Epic. Maybe we should hope for older exclusive title on PC like Spider-Man games. Twitch has told a US Army to stop baiting their live streams viewer for fake giveaway. Military was telling users to click link to win Xbox controller, but it redirects you to Army sign up page. Microsoft is no longer interested in bringing Game Pass or Project xCloud to competing consoles due to company inability to ensure a proper Xbox experience. Rumors suggest that successor to Oculus Quest in production by this month. Even if doesn't fix the problems of old Quest, still it would sell like hotcakes. Chinese researchers have found an exploit called bad power that can alter firmware of fast chargers so that overheating device and ultimately make them burst into flames. Don't let any random person charge to plug in your phone. Only let them if they are your friends. Apple will start manufacturing iPhone 11 in India. I feel good when an international company manufactures its product in India. It will be even better if this lowers their price in India. News. Final news coming from Good Old Games, also known as GOG, is that its game launcher GOG Galaxy 2.0 gets official integration of Epic Games. This means you don't need to use Epic Launcher and or as you might know that Epic and Ubisoft are good friends. That means in some time you might get official Uplay as well. If you like this video, like, share and subscribe to JD Techling. Don't forget